Hello and welcome. We shall be discussing about how we can be able to fund and withdraw our funds inside Binance. We look at how to fund our wallet for trading and how to withdraw whenever we want to. So with funding, there are mainly two ways to fund a wallet. One, through sending coins to your wallet using a wallet address. Two, through bank deposit or ATM card. We will go ahead and see how to deposit. So from the wallet panel, we see deposit, withdraw and transfer. So we are looking at how to deposit. And this is the deposit button. So go ahead and click the deposit button. So whenever you click the deposit button, you'll be taken to this particular page. So after clicking on the deposit button here, you have two options: to deposit crypto, to deposit fiat. Fiat is equal to money like dollar, naira, pound, etc. On the set button, you can search for any coins of your choice to deposit. So we'll be looking at how to deposit crypto. Here is an example of deposit using SXP, which is the swipe. Here is an example of deposit using BTC, Bitcoin. This arrow up is pointing to your Binance Bitcoin address. This long list of characters is called wallet address. Each coin has its own wallet address. This arrow is pointing to your Binance Bitcoin address QR code for scanning. You can be able to scan directly and send Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin to your wallet. This arrow is pointing to copy button, which will help you to copy the address and send it to anyone that wants to send Bitcoin to you. Or better still, sending Bitcoin from your other wallet to your Binance wallet. Then how to deposit fiat. Here is the list of different fiat currencies you can deposit. Do a search from the search button or scroll down to select a currency. So you can be able to deposit any fiat of your choice depending on the country you are trading from. When you select the particular fiat or currency you want to deposit, you'll be taken to a page where you will make payment and it will be credited to your Binance account. After selecting the currency, you will be presented with different options to complete the wallet funding. You can add fiat through bank transfer or using your ATM card. In our case, we will use ATM card. So here we see website only. With this current version, we can't complete funding inside the app, so we use Chrome browser. After logging in using browser, we select deposit cash. Then the next, you select the currency of your choice, the currency you want to deposit. Select the payment method, bank transfer or card. You should consider the fee before using bank transfer or card. As you can see here, depositing 100,000 naira attracts 1,400 naira using card payment. So you wouldn't like to pay such amount while depositing. So here, the same deposit of 100,000 attracts 150 naira using bank transfer. So we have bank transfer having a charge of 150 naira fee and card deposit having 1.4% fee. You determine the one to use in order to pay less in fees. Instead of 100,000 naira, we will deposit 1,000 naira. Since we are depositing less amount, we will use card to pay less fee, which is 1.4%. Card details are required here, after which we proceed to pay 1,000 naira. So if you are depositing, you go ahead and put your card PIN. So depending on the country you are depositing from. So immediately after deposit, back to Binance app. Here is the fiat we just deposited and it can be used to trade. You can exchange it in the pair of Bitcoin and use Bitcoin to trade other currencies. That is exactly how to deposit either crypto or fiat inside the Binance app.